Get excited about the 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger wagon stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Volkswagen prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a roof rack, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you.